Sage. Can you say hi, Sage?
Hi, Sage.
But I'm the one in charge here. Very unpredictable force of nature. And we have no idea where it might go. So, it's going to be possible. All right, let's try it. On my signal. 3, 2, 1. Robbie. Oz, how's your section sounding? It's my section. Should we get him back? Yeah! I need a kid. I need a volunteer. Give a round of applause. All right, we're doing so good. Everybody, all together, one big cheer.
Safety of the performers. We ask your cooperation in remaining seated during the entire performance, keeping all aisleways clear. Thank you, and enjoy the show. The future, the polar ice cap.
Hold the gates! Mac! Keep a lookout!
Howard!
Sage! Come help me!
Dry land, it's a myth!
It's not a myth. Look, I've been there. It's our salvation! We can all start new lives on dry land, but we have to hurry. The Deacon and the smokers are after me.
Smokers in the day!
Awesome! To the top of that gate. Good luck, down. Don't let anyone in. Seems like
Incoming from the south!
take cover.
Breach in the wall!
Get on the water cannon. No! Smokers! Everybody down!
Stay down! You got her!
Get out of there!
What you got up there?
We got an 8-tower! And he's got dirt!
Dirty. Well, how about that? I need to know the way to dry land. So, the game is called The First One That Talks. Did I say?
Boss, you only have one eye!
Why don't you get over here and find out what's wrong with this? She's getting away! Like this. Ask, you shall receive. Hey, fish boy. Ah, you're gonna use chuckers. Why don't you just show me the way?
Okay.
Deacon! You better go back. We're gonna plane to catch. Start the fate of the new world.
I'll get the box!
There you are. You're not going anywhere, huh? Stay down!